guys, Patty Bow and Lisa Brink here, right? Desert City Swing 2023. We kind of played around with footwork variations and patterns for you guys to play with, and then we gave you a simple pattern and leaders you're actually going to move this time. Cool. So I'll break down the footwork for you guys really quick, and then we'll put it into application. All we did, leaders, was kind of do what we call a brush step to kind of help you out. I always think about brushing or slapping my thighs over the foot. When I do that, if you notice, the standing foot rotates. Do y'all see that? Right? So I'm going to turn it backwards for you as I brush over. From here, all I did was bring that ankle up and brushed. Brush, ankle up, brush, ankle up. Yes? We put that into application with our sugar push. Notice I said angles every time. We did a simple sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? We both angled our bodies and our feet. From here, all we're going to do is, that's okay, brush it over. Brush and step. From here, if you want to, lead a right side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, right? But we didn't do that. We kind of gave you more footwork to play with because, that wasn't enough. All right, so it was a kickback. Because you have to cross over. Every time you cross over, if you bring weight down to that forward foot, it's going to kick that foot back for you. So I don't want you guys to go and kick out there. I just want that foot to kind of flare and step. So it's a kick, replace, not a kick, go somewhere. That's really important. So for the followers, we had you go 1, 2, 3, angle 4, brush 5 and 6, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 for your right side pass. Leaders, for us, we had you go 1, 2, 3, angle 4, brush 5 and 6. This is where my partner is. Can you see where my hand is? So as I go brush, replace, triple step, triple step. Yes? The whole thing's going to look like this. Yep, plain sugar push first. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We went 1, 2. We both angled. We brush and kick, kick and go. Triple step, triple step. We did a normal sugar tuck on a run. Now remember, the sugar tuck comes from my rotational energy of my torso, not so much my arms. So as we do a sugar tuck, leaders, I give her rotational energy by sending my body around instead of my arm over her head. Does that make sense? Cool. From here, I'm going to go to the right side of my partner or Lisa's body by going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Right, so followers, your left foot is coming forward on that 6, right? So on that one, followers, we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. He's going to accelerate the rotation to make us go 5 and 6 on that left foot. Cool. And again, I'm going slow, so Lisa has no energy. But leaders, remember, we talked about once it clears her head, accelerate to make her feel that rotation. I'm going to do it here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. See, I didn't give her a chance to because I accelerated it. If I go slow, she might not be able to make that happen. From here, guys, because we ran out of time, we just gave you a sugar tuck or closed position tuck out or right side pass. And then we went ahead and went right into that angle for all of us. Brush and kick, kick and step, triple step, triple step. And that was your pattern. Good job, guys.